been listening to our podcast, then you know that we have a new beauty journey that we are starting. And guess what? Today is the day, y'all. So I finally got my package from Curology, and unfortunately it came kind of open already. So yeah, but this is the box that it came in. This was the first thing that I saw when I opened the box. It just says Curology on it, and then it says love your skin. Love your skin every day. Welcome, dear Curology member, to your new routine. It's here for you morning and night, and it's made with love by our dermatologist. Step 1, cleanser. Start with our gentle cleanser to remove dirt. Step 2, custom formula. Next up, our custom formula mixed just for you because your skin isn't like anyone else's. Step 3, moisturizer. Finish with our moisturizer to keep hydration on lockdown. Okay, Curology. So first is this little, I hope it focus for y'all. Of course I would. Oh, this the lip balm. I needed this, y'all. Like, I'm trying to make sure I put some lip gloss on because my lips always crusty in these videos. Okay. And then it got this little package. I'll show y'all how it came, like inside the package or whatever. It come like this. I don't want to open it. Now, I had to do this intro like 2 or 3 times, so I don't know if I explained why I'm doing this with Curology, but let me go ahead and do this again. So basically, my skin been a mess since like high school, y'all. If I'm not too embarrassed and I can put up some pictures, I'll show you all some pictures of my skin. It's really just not it. And I've tried different things over the years, but nothing seems to either make me stick with it, or I don't know, it just irritates my skin and it just don't work. And I'm tired of the it's gonna get worse before it get better speech. Like, that don't sit well with me in my spirit. Like, no, just, you know, how much worse can it get? It told me my skincare thing on my phone and my email. I'm gonna look for that because they definitely put it in here. Let me just, oh wait, right here. Step 1 is the cleanser. Step 2, custom formula. And all these is day and night. It says, except for the custom formula. The custom formula look like it's just for night. So this is the moisturizer. I want to say this the cleanser. No, because this the cleanser. This is the Acne body wash because I have bad acne on my back, y'all. And I'm tired. I'm tired of the bad skin. I'm sick of it. And it's the year of a major change, so yeah. Emergency spot patch. And I'm guessing this is the custom formula. And this is what it looks like. Very sleek, very clean design. Okay, Curology, like, okay, I'm excited to see like what this lip balm. Anyways, okay, so just what my face is like right now. It's time for me to go wash it. It's time to call it a night. So we're gonna head to the bathroom, get this figured out, and see how this goes. So I'm in the bathroom with absolutely nothing. I'll be back. So we in the bathroom. I'm about to give you all a little close-up of my face. Let's see what Curology can do for your girl. Okay, so it says start with the cleanser. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, how about that much? I don't know what we're doing. With use twice daily, morning and night. Gently massage into damp face and then rinse off. So I've massaged it. I massaged it pretty good, so step 2 is the custom formula, which is this bottle. Now, it don't give instructions on the bottle like the cleanser, but I do remember it saying I think put it on and leave it on. And you wanna go pee? Okay, give me a second. Do I have to pee? Now that we got that on, Jammer gotta go to the bathroom, so we gonna head to the other room and finish up. Okay, well, we managed to make it back in the room. The last thing we need is the moisturizer, and that's gonna make all of this complete. Ooh, it's really thick and creamy. This skin is super dry. You can tell, like, I'm using like that much. I'm not really using that much, but it's a lot. It's really dry. Okay, so Curology did send me some extra items. One of the free extra items that they gave me was a lip balm. So I'm about to open it and see just what this is talking about. I be trying not to rip the box at y'all, but y'all, look at this. This is super cute. You slide it down, and then it comes up. And this is passion fruit, child. Ooh. It smells so good. Y'all. Something else they gave me was emergency spot patch. Emergency spot patch. Okay. Sun and spots, we've got emergencies covered with this hydrocolloid patch that absorbs pus and oil. Just remember to apply it before Curology cream. Instructions: apply patch to problem spot, wait 6 to 24 hours, then peel off. Repeat daily as needed. Okay, and last but not least, like I said, is the Acne body wash. They give you a lot of this, so yeah. I wonder what this smell like. I got this open pretty much, and I still can't tell how to smell. It don't really got no smell. Well, you guys, that was the start of our Curology journey. We got 30 days left and a long process to go. As far as the initial unboxing and the, I guess, initial review, my skin feels super soft. It feels like my pores is tightened up. So, you know, the first day is good, but it's also the first time my skin is trying something new. And I know over time your skin can get used to some things and, you know, it can stop working. So we're gonna see. This is a journey. It's a marathon, not a sprint, but we're gonna get there either way. I hope you stick around with us through our Curology journey. Thank y'all so much for tuning into my channel. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all got some value out of it, or if you just like your girl channel and just want to show some support, go ahead and like a video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to keep up with us. Hit the bell notification so you always know when your girl upload. And stay tuned with us. The next video I'm going to try to get the update going with the boys schooling so y'all can see that. And yeah, just keep up with the podcast to know what's coming up next. Don't forget that the website is back up and running and we got some new things popping for y'all coming soon. So stick with us, you guys. Follow us on all our social medias at JTDco.shop. Listen to our podcast at JTD Talks. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.